Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a GIF in your email signature in Outlook. So first, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then we can proceed to new email. And from here, just go to insert, then signature. Click on signatures. From here, you can create your customized email signature. From here, just click on the photo icon. Make sure that you have already downloaded your GIF file. Open. Let's resize it to our preference. Then once done, just click on save. And from here, we can change it to our GIF sign so that whenever we compose a new message, our GIF signature will automatically be added on our mail. So let's try composing a new mail. And as you can see, our GIF signature was automatically added as our email signature. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily add a GIF as your email signature in Outlook. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!